My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are staying well with your parents at your home in this emergency level, that is Corona fact. We were going to carry the chapter of financial statement. I have already completed the 2 lectures for this chapter from the subject of accounting. This class is applicable for 9 business studies, 10 business studies and 11 business studies students, and also for English version students. This is Mahmoud Hussain, lecturer in accounting, English media morning shift, Rajaguttura Model College, Dhaka. Dear learners, today I will give a lesson for service related or professional firm financial statement. At first you have to write the stem of financial statement. Dear learners, you are watching a new creative question in front of you. The content: as at 31st December 2019, Hamim Corporation has the following trial balance and other data, that is adjustment, as follows. Account titles: cash 35,400 taka, accounts receivable 2,800, prepaid insurance 2,400, supplies 1,300, office equipment 60,000, 5% loan payable 40,000, accounts payable 2,400, capital 30,000, drawings 1,000, audit service revenue 34,900, salaries expenses 3,900, utility expenses taka 800, advertising expenses taka 400. Total of trial balance 1,07,300. Dear students, you are watching, this system is related to a service related firm or professional institution, that is, this is a CA firm. In this institution, main source of income, that is audit service revenue. No sales amount is available, so you have to take or you have to treat this trial balance is as professional institution or service related firm. At first we can discuss the each and every item of trial balance. Number 1, cash. This amount is to be treated as cash, that is current assets in financial position statement. Account receivable. This item is also one kind of current assets, that is short-term asset. It will show in statement of financial position. Prepaid insurance. Prepaid insurance is treated as current assets, a short-term asset in financial position statement. Supplies, that is office supplies or store supplies. This amount is also be treated as current assets in financial position statement. Office equipment. This amount is one kind of fixed asset, that is long-term asset. It is treated as fixed asset in statement of financial position. 5% loan payable. Loan, that is percentage available is one kind of long-term liabilities in statement of financial position. Accounts payable, that is the amount of current liability or short-term liability. It is shown in statement of financial position. Capital, this amount is treated is the part of equity, that is main part of equity. It is shown in owner's security statement or statement of financial position. Drawings, decreasing amount of equity, that is contra item of equity. It is shown in equity statement or financial position statement. Audit service revenue, in this institution main source of income, that is audit service revenue. It is shown in income statement, that is single step income statement. Salaries expenses is one kind of expenditure. It is shown in income statement. Utilities expenses, it is shown in income statement. Advertising expenses, it is shown in income statement. Okay, students, we can go for other data or adjustment. Other data consist of the following. Number one, insurance expired, that is prepaid insurance expired. When any asset expired or used, then it is treated as current assets. So for this entry, two posting are available. At first, insurance expense is to be shown in income statement for Taka 2000, and in current assets Taka 2000 to be deducted from the prepaid insurance in statement of financial position. Second one, there are Taka 1000 of supplies on hand. This adjustment is to be treated as Taka 1000 for current assets in financial position, and also this amount is to be deducted from the first amount that is available in trial balance. Then the missing amount or suspense amount is to be treated as expenses to be shown in income statement. Third one, depreciation on the equipment. This adjustment is to be treated as 2 times the amount. At first you have to show it in income statement, and then this amount is to be deducted from the office equipment in statement of financial position under the fixed asset. Number 4, interest of Taka 2000 on loan payable due, that is interest due. This amount is to be shown in income statement at first, and then go for showing in current liabilities under the statement of financial position. Dear students, I have already discussed in all items of trial balance and adjustment. Now we can complete the following requirements. A, show the adjustment journal entries or adjusting journal entries from the above information, that is totally 4 adjustments are available. Second one, prepare an income statement, that is single step. In all time you have to remember, when you are required to prepare an income statement for professional or service related firm, it is treated as single step income statement. Otherwise it is multiple step statement for manufacturing concern. Requirement C, prepare a statement of financial position. Now we can go for solving the requirement A. Journal entries adjusting. Totally 5 columns in available in journal. Date, account title and explanation, ledger folio, debit Taka, credit Taka. Insurance expired. This entry is to be written here. Insurance expense debit, prepaid insurance credit for Taka 2000 in debit side, and credit side also taka 2000. Explanation, that is to adjust expired insurance, that is expired prepaid insurance. Second one, shop supplies expense debit, shop supplies credit, or supplies expense debit, supplies credit. That is the amount of taka 300 and 300, that is the amount of 1300 minus 1000. It is treated as supplies used amount. Explanation is used to adjust shop supplies. Third one, depreciation expense debit, accumulated depreciation for office equipment credit, amount of taka 3000 in debit, and credit also taka 3000. Explanation to adjust depreciation expense on equipment. Number 4, interest due on loan. This interest expense debit, interest payable credit for taka 2000 in debit and credit. Explanation to adjust interest due. It is remembered that no amount of total is required for adjusting journal entry. Now, dear students, you can go for solving the requirement B, that is single step income statement. At first you have to draw a format for income statement. B, answer Hamim Corporation income statement, that is single step for the month ended 31st December 2019, that is for the year ended 31st December 2019. Dear students, you have to write for the month, it's not for the year ended. It is two parts. First part is incomes and second part is base expenses. So incomes. In this system, only one income is available, that is the audit service revenue. So you can write this one, and this revenue from audit. From trial balance we can get it taka 34,900. At first you have to write this amount in middle column, then you can go to outer column 34,900. In this creative question, no another income or revenue is available. So total incomes or revenue in this system or in this method are 34,900. And then go for less expenses. In trial balance, available salaries expense taka 3,200. No adjustment available. So you have to write this amount in middle column at first. Utilities expenses from trial balance, this amount we can get it taka 800. No adjustment is available for this expense. Advertising expenses for taka 4,000, we can get it from trial balance. No adjustment available in this entry or in this expenses. So 400 is written in middle column. Number 4, items of expenses, insurance expense, that is from adjustment number 1 we can get prepaid insurance expired. I have already said for this entry, when any asset expired or asset used, then it is treated as regular expenses or recurring expenses. So insurance expense is written here for expired amount taka 2,000 in middle column. Supplies expense, I again saying any asset amount is used or expired, then it is treated as expenses. So for supplies expenses taka 300 used in this year for this institution, that is Hamim Corporation. Taka 300 is written in middle column. Depreciation expense, you can get it from the adjustment or other data. Adjustment number 3, depreciation on equipment, Taka 3000 is written in middle column. Last item of expenditure is available, interest expense. Interest expense Taka 2000, you can get it from the adjustment number 4 or from the 5% loan payable, that is Taka 40,000. The interest charged on loan, that is Taka 2000. First you have to write in middle column. Then total expenditure amount or total expenses amount of Hamim Corporation in income statement is Taka 11,700 is written in outer column. Now we can deduct the amount of Taka 11,700 from 34,900. Now we get the amount of net income or net profit is Taka 23,200. Net profit Taka 23,200. This amount is to be transferred to owner's equity or equity statement or statement of financial position for adding with the amount of opening capital. Dear learners, I think you have written this requirement in your accounting practice copy. Now we can go for solution of requirement C, that is the statement of financial position. You know, it has two parts. At first part asset side and another side is equity and liabilities. Dear students, you know, three methods are available for showing the statement of financial position. Number one, liquidity method. Second one, permanence method. Third one, mixed method. In this math, we are following the permanence method, that is when asset is started with the fixed asset, then go for long-term investment. Third one for current assets. Fourth one for fictitious asset. So at first you have to write fixed asset. You can take from the trial balance. Office equipment is one kind of fixed asset, is written at first in middle column, Taka 60,000. Then accumulated depreciation from adjustment, Taka 3,000. It is deducted from the total amount of 60,000. That is the net amount of office equipment is written in outer column, Taka 57,000. Second head of long-term investment, it is no amount is available for long-term investment in this math. Current assets, from the trial balance we can get it cash Taka 35,400 in middle column. Account receivable Taka 2,800 is written in middle column. Prepaid insurance 2,400 minus expired amount 2,000, that is the amount of Taka 400 is written in middle column. Supplies, that is unused amount of supplies is available in adjustment Taka 1,000. So total of current assets is Taka 39,600. Number 4 for assets, that is fictitious asset or expense is not yet expired or other asset. No amount is available for this type of asset in this stem. At this moment, total assets of Hamim Corporation is Taka 96,600. Dear learners, you have to write in a hurry for this phase. Now we can go in the second part of statement of financial position for probing or equalizing assets amount with the equity and liabilities. You are watching in the screen or in the content second part of the statement of financial position. We have to go for permanence method. At first you have to write the equity amount. Equity, the start of amount of capital Taka 30,000 from trial balance. You can get it, add net profit from that income statement 23,200, Let's drawing stack of 1000 from trial balance. So at this moment equity amount is taka 52,200 is written in outer column. Long term liabilities from trial balance, so you can get it 5% loan payable 40,000 is written in middle column, and then go for outer column 40,000. Third, it is current liabilities and other provision. Two current liabilities are available in this map. Accounts payable from trial balance taka 2,400. Another current liability is available in this map. Interest payable from adjustment number 4 taka 2,000 is written in middle column, and then total current liabilities taka 4,400. So at this moment total equity and liabilities is taka 96,600. Dear students, you are watching assets and liabilities equity is equal to, that is proved, asset is equal to liability plus equity. Dear learners, that's all for being today. Allah Hafiz.